If you're using AI to generate images right now, stop wasting your time and your money. Google just released its new Gemini 3 model, and with it comes the ultimate image generation and editing model, Nano Banana Pro. And I'm not just going to tell you about it, I'm going to show you, because in today's video, I'm going to show you a way to use it and squeeze 100% of its potential out of the model that's here to take over the AI market. And as always, so you don't waste your time, every prompt we use in today's video will be waiting for you in the Discord linked in the description, so you can just copy and paste them. At the end of the video, I'll also show you how to get our free channel PDFs with the best free AIs on the market and secrets we don't share on YouTube. Alright, now let's get into the video. I'm going to be using Google's new model through the Artlist platform. Here, you'll find a ton of tools and features to create all kinds of content, including the ability to generate images and video. But today, we're going to focus on the new Google model called Nano Banana Pro. I'll leave you the link in the description so you can try it. Some of you might be thinking, but Malva, it's just a text-to-image and image-to-image model. What's so special about it? Well, let me tell you, this is about to change everything. The limitations of image generation are over. You can ask it to modify specific parts of any image you upload while keeping the rest exactly the same. Or you can ask for more general changes. What does that mean? It means we can upload a picture of a city and ask it to change the mood, the weather, what's happening in the scene. This completely changes how image models work. Here's how Nano Banana works. It uses the new Gemini reasoning model to generate the images. It's not just the image model trying to guess what you want. This new model analyzes the entire image using Gemini 3 and then applies the exact changes you asked for. So instead of random variations, you get precise edits that actually respect what you already have. Now let's see it in practice. Let's start with something very simple but very useful, a document. You need to submit something important. You finally find the paper crushed at the bottom of a bag and it's completely wrinkled. It's technically readable, but it looks horrible. With Nano Banana, we upload a photo of that crumpled page and tell it, make this sheet look flat and clean again. Keep all the text exactly as it is and remove as many folds and shadows as possible. Gemini 3 understands where the paper is damaged, separates wrinkles from printed text, and Nano Banana regenerates a version that looks smooth and readable, ready to print or attach without retyping a single line. This works for contracts, school forms, anything you can't afford to redo from zero, and we haven't even touched the creative side yet. From paper, let's jump to products. Imagine you only have a rough sketch of a jacket for your new clothing brand. Nothing fancy, just a drawing in your notebook. We upload that sketch and ask it to turn this drawing into a real person wearing that exact jacket in the street. The model respects the design, the shapes, and the key details, and turns it into a photorealistic scene where your jacket exists in real life. Once we like the result, we hit Transform Image and say, keep the jacket and the person exactly the same, but now make it nighttime, add snow, and turn the city lights on. In a few seconds, you have different campaign images for the same product. One for a normal day, one for winter, one for night. No photo shoot, no models, no renting locations, just one sketch and a couple of prompts. Now imagine instead of clothes, you're designing spaces. If you work in 3D, architecture, or you simply dream of building your own house, you know how hard it is to feel a blueprint. It's just lines on paper. Here, we upload a photo of your floor plan and tell Nano Banana to generate a realistic view of this exact house, following these drawings as closely as possible. Because it's powered by Gemini 3, it reads the lines and proportions like a human would and turns them into a believable exterior. You instantly see your project as a real building. From there, we can say, same house, white walls and a wooden door, or same house at sunset with warm light and a bit of landscaping in front, and compare styles in seconds without touching any 3D software, lighting settings, or render farm. This same understand first, transform after logic is exactly what protects artists from ruining their work. Think of a comic panel you've drawn in black and white. The line art is finished, you're happy with it, and now you're scared of messing everything up with color. We upload that panel, tell Nano Banana not to touch the line art, and to just add color with the mood we describe. Darker and dramatic, bright and cartoony, pastel and soft, whatever you want. It keeps every stroke, fills the panel cleanly, and you get a fully colored version that feels like your art, not a random filter. If something feels off, you don't start over. You just say, change only the hair color, or make the background more dramatic and the characters stand out more. It's a safe sandbox where you test palettes and lighting, and once you find what you like, you can paint it yourself with full confidence. If you study or teach, this next use case is brutal. You take notes at high speed, everything makes sense in the moment, and then when you reopen that page, it's just chaos. Tiny handwriting, arrows everywhere, random boxes. With Nano Banana, we take a quick picture of those notes and ask it to turn them into a clean visual guide, using exactly what we wrote, but organized in a logical way. Gemini 3 reads the text, understands the structure, and Nano Banana lays it out with clear sections and simple visuals. If it's for a class, we can tell it to make it look like a classroom poster or a modern slide so you can show it on a projector or upload it for your students. You don't rewrite your notes, you just upgrade them visually. And in a second, we'll use the same idea to repair your photos. Because this is something everyone has lived at least once, you take a special picture and the background is a disaster. There's a stranger staring at the camera, a trash can, some random object that completely kills the mood. With Nano Banana, we upload that photo and explain clearly what we want to remove and what must stay. For example, remove the person in the back left and replace them with more C. Keep the couple in the center exactly as they are. Gemini 3 understands the scene, the depth, the colors, and the model fills that area with content that fits naturally. The result is a clean version of the same memory, without the visual noise. And if you want to go a bit crazy, you can flip it and say, add these celebrities in a sauna with Christmas decorations. And it will build a fun, surreal version of your original photo that still respects the lighting and perspective. Same base image, two completely different vibes. Up to now, we've been transforming things you already had. Documents, sketches, notes, photos. But Nano Banana's text-to-image mode is where you can start a lot of projects from zero just by writing. If you already have the name of your company but no logo, we write the name, a short description of what you do, and the style you're going for, and ask Nano Banana to generate a logo and basic brand assets. In a few seconds, you get a concept that already looks like a real brand. Colors, shapes, maybe an icon that represents what you do. Instead of paying for 10 different drafts just to realize what you want, you refine this one. Same logo, but with a darker main color. Simpler icon. More minimal font that works better at small sizes. You end up with something you can use on your website, your social media, and your documents. Or you can hand it to a designer as a super clear starting point and let them polish it. And if you create content, this part is basically a thumbnail and cover machine. You have a YouTube video, a short, a course, an ebook, and the content is ready, but the cover is not. Instead of guessing, we paste your script or a detailed summary into the prompt and ask Nano Banana to design the perfect cover based on that content. The main emotion, the central object, the type of scene that will make people instantly understand what it's about. The model reads what you wrote with Gemini 3, pulls out the key ideas, and compresses all of that into one clickable image. Then we tell it to generate both horizontal and vertical versions of the same concept. That means you walk away with a 16:9 version for your YouTube thumbnail, a 9:16 version for Shorts or TikTok, maybe even a square version for posts, all matching, all built from the same idea, without rebuilding the design 3 times. And the pattern behind everything you've seen is always the same. You give Nano Banana Pro an image or some text, Gemini 3 understands it first, and then the model applies the exact changes you asked for instead of guessing blindly. That's why you can flatten a wrinkled page while keeping the text, respect a sketch while changing only the environment, color a comic without touching the line art, turn messy notes into a visual guide, clean or transform a photo, and design logos and covers straight from text without breaking what matters. If you use it well, this isn't just about making pretty pictures. It's about making your projects, your studies, and your hobbies much easier and way more fun. Remember that you have the link in the description to try Nano Banana Pro from Artlist. And as I promised at the beginning of the video, if you want the PDFs with our best free AI guides and the extra tips we don't share on YouTube, here's exactly how to get them. First, join the Discord server using the link in the description. Inside, you'll find a channel with all the prompts and links from this video, so you don't have to search or rewrite anything. Then, look for the channel with the bot. Send a message there, and the bot will open a new chat with you. In that chat, you only need to send 2 things: the link to any video from this channel, and a screenshot where we can clearly see that you've liked the video, subscribed to the channel, left a positive comment, and watched the video until the end. The bot will analyze that screenshot, and, if everything is correct, it will automatically send you the PDF that belongs to that video, with all the extra information you need. There is also a channel where you can see which PDF is linked to each video, so by simply watching the content and sending screenshots that prove you completed the steps, you can build a whole library of extra material that will help you keep learning and improving your AI workflows. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.